Hello, it's me here, and welcome to the first run of my Tamiya Saint Dragon with a bespoke sticker set.
Ooh, look at that, it's lovely, isn't
Lovely
it?
carbon fibre effect. So,
Got Mark on the camera, by the way, Rob.
yes.
Hello, folks.
Some
He
bloke.
wasn't going to introduce
I
me.
wasn't, I was forgetting. It's been that long since we've done any videoing together.
I just tried to do an arty intro as well, Rob.
Yes, you did.
Oh, I don't know, so... I do like the look of your Saint Dragon, mate.
Thank you. With me driver with his lovely purple helmet.
Purple helmet, you've got to have a purple helmet, ain't you? Look at that. It's a beauty, Rob.
It is. It's a beauty.
So then, what we're going to do?
We're just going to have a bit of a play and a razz round, and if we get time without the battery running out, we might even try a few jumps over the...
You're not going to try and jump it off this rock, are you, Rob?
Well, I might do.
Oh my gosh, you're mad.
Yeah.
But we all know that anyway.
But yeah, we'll be jumping over the tree stumps over there.
What do they call them? The jump stumps. There they are.
Stump jumps, yes.
Never got. He's determined to break his car, guys. Look at these.
Got to.
So yeah,
You got to try it.
got to try, ain't you?
So, let's get on then. Otherwise, this video will be 20 minutes long.
I don't matter. You can put adverts on there, can't you, Rob? Let's do it. Ooh. Whoa, you don't want to hit that.
No, I didn't see that.
That was like the car, so it was like that with the front wheel like there as it went past. Bloody hell, Rob. You're not going to film it jumping off this, are you?
Oh, yes, mate.
Are you mad?
Yes, mate.
Smash it to pieces, dude.
Oh dear, I can't find my button.
Brum, brum, brum. Brum, 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 brum. start recording, Rob.
Okay.
I'm going to do arty-farty intro. You ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Up in there, look at the size of that rock. It's a real erection, that, isn't it, Rob?
Like he says, look at the size of that erection.
You ready?
Yep.
I'm being arty, here it comes.
Don't fear the pooper.
He's rammed the camera.